Hello everyone, my name is Helen Wong, Sherm Rose Master of Atomy, Canada. This is my journey! Hello everyone, my name is Helen Wong, Sherm Rose Master of Atomy, Canada. Welcome to the Hello ASMR. I'm so excited to be filming this moment with Atomy, Canada. Really happy, and let's get ready to hear my story. I come from Hong Kong to Canada in 2018 and live in Greater Vancouver right now. It's difficult at the beginning because I don't have any friends here. To start everything new, I have to make extra effort in all areas. For example, where I can find a supermarket, which restaurant is good for dinner, and how to find a family doctor, etc., etc. I love Canada's weather, especially in Vancouver, with 4 distinct seasons. We have sea, we have river, and mountains here. We can enjoy hiking in summer and skiing in winter. I'm a positive person. I always think positive. Any problem can be solved as long as you are willing to tackle it. I try to do my best every day. Thanks to our chairman teaching us the law of own mind, my tolerance for rejection has increased significantly. Now I simply share what I believe is beneficial to people. They have the choice to accept or decline, and I won't feel bad about any outcome. Atomy Canada has the power to see through our hearts. Like in winter months, we are lazy to go out. They arrange online seminars for us. Also, Atomy anticipate our needs for urgent order occasionally and offer pickup service for order at the office. The support they offer is beyond our expectation. I love it. Is never give up. Every day we have to deal with many ups and downs. If I give up, then I will lose. But if I have a strong mindset of never give up, then I will succeed one day. Is persist, never give up. Love your member just like love yourself. Dream, we should have dream. And it's good for us to proceed them step by step to make our dream coming true. This year, my goal is to help 10 partners to become a sales master. We will do more facial party and introduce more product to the consumer. And we will do Go 100 together and tell people about Atomy. And of course, we need to take the GSMC together. To achieve a common goal, I believe that effective teamwork requires communication, cooperation, coordination, and mutual support amongst team members. As said, my target is to help partners to reach sales master. Teamwork is essential, and I hope to combine their individual skills, knowledge, and effort to contribute to the success of sales mastership this year. I think it will be a rainbow ice cream. In successful teamwork, members treat each other with respect, adopt a challenge with innovation, thrive in nurturing environment, form strong bonds, maintain open communication, and share a collective work ethic, forming the flavor of rainbow. We can find this flavor, rainbow, everywhere in Atomy, Canada. Playing golf has become my favorite hobby, especially when I get to enjoy it with my husband. Every moment spent on the green with him is truly meaningful to me. Now the weather is getting nicer. I'm eager to head out to the golf course whenever I can. It's a hot air balloon ride in Istanbul, Turkey. We're so beautiful, especially during the sunrise, and I saw through the sky. However, I will not to do it again because I don't want to put my life in danger anymore. I really want to spend 1 week at Disney in Florida and must bring a box of Him. It's my lifesaver, giving me more energy and increase my immune system to defend against diseases. My favorite holiday is the New Year's holiday because it feels like we start my engine again. I love to watch Korean drama. The story is new and attractive. I enjoy it with fun with happy ending. Latest Korean drama and I enjoy watching was the Crash Landing on You, and I enjoyed it very much. I find K-drama are just as popular and enjoyable as K-cosmetics and K-pop. I consider I'm a morning person. As soon as I wake up, I feel with energy. The first thing I do in the morning is to drink a glass of water, and I have a pack of Him. After washing face, I use Absolute skincare set to moisturize my face and keep healthy look. Then I will write a list of tasks and finish one by one. I will say it's the potato chips. Although I feel guilty and taking it too much, I cannot help to put them into my mouth when I work under pressure. Last but not least, I'm with Atomy for a couple of years now. I highly recommend all Atomians to write and update your life scenario on monthly basis and make an action plan to work step by step. If dream has no action, then still only a dream. It won't come true. I wish I see everyone at the top. Aja, aja, aja. Thank you very much.